I take pictures of things with my camera in square mode, and I use the monochrome filter for everything.
Now, if you do not already know the Artistis iphonus, well, consider yourself lucky, because many people have heard and seen the Artistis iphonus, and some of you may even be one. Just kidding, I'm not doing a tutorial video. This is a full-fledged rant about the Artistis iphonus. Now, if you haven't seen my other photography rant, the Idios iphonus, I love photography, and I'm a photographer, but the Idios iphonus and now the Artistis iphonus are threatening the existence of photographers. Now, if you do not already know the Artistis iphonus, it is the photographer that takes things in either square mode, or when they post on Instagram, they just add loads of filters to their posts, which just turn them into no! Now, normally these people can just be left alone, but now something has changed. These people are not threatening the real photographers. Well, these people are threatening the real photographers' existence like us, but they're also threatening the artists' existence because they think that they're artists or visual artists. Now, the problem with this is that these idiots do not understand what art is. It is not. And you cannot make art by taking your photo in square mode and adding loads and loads of filters onto it after the fact, which is just not photography or art. It's just Now, what's really infuriating is when these people are like, my phone is better than my camera. Now, what gets me really mad is when these people are like, my phone better than your camera. And I'm like, no, it's not. And so I'm making this video, just beware. Do not use filters. Do not use square mode. Luckily, the Artistis iphonus species normally only exists in conservations in the woods. So, unless you go to a conservations in the woods that you have to pay to get into, you are normally safe from these Artistis. However, if you do go to conservations weekly or daily, whenever, you're kind of gonna have a problem because these Artistis are just ruining the experience for other photographers, and they're like, I'm a photographer. Or, I once drove a Mustang. That makes me better than everybody else. Or, photography doesn't require skill. It just requires a Subaru. So hopefully now you can see why I hate the Artistis iphonus. I made this video just to warn you guys, don't be an Artistis iphonus. Please, just for the good of all photographers and all artists out there, do not be an Artistis iphonus.